Brewers Court is the ultimate sanctuary for your scholarly shenanigans in Edinburgh. Offering a wide range of spacious and cozy studios, each place is decked out with modern amenities. But wait, there's more. Every studio comes with a comfy bed, a huge wardrobe, and a study desk. Step into a world where convenience meets community with a fully equipped gym, communal lounge, and study area primed for productivity or a well-deserved break. And when hunger strikes, fear not. The dining room offers a social culinary experience complemented by a vending machine ready to answer those midnight cravings. But let's not forget the icing on the cake, its location. Conveniently positioned near esteemed institutions like the University of Edinburgh and the Edinburgh College of Art, Brewers Court effortlessly blends comfort and accessibility for the discerning student. Surrounded by the culinary wonders of Howie's restaurant and the cozy charm of Cafe Vevo, Brewers Court is a stone's throw from Edinburgh's vibrant restaurant and cafe scene. And when the sun sets, unleash your inner party animal at renowned spots like Brewdog, Doghouse, Edinburgh Bar, and Terry's in Kilderkin. So why settle for ordinary when you can live the Brewers Court life? Head to amberstudent.com and book your dream home today.